I'm Chung-Win with Gotta Be Mobile and Notebooks.com, and today we're at the Asus booth, and we're going to take a look at the ePad Transformer, which is an Android 10.2 slate that will launch and will be upgradable to Android 3.0, right?
It will be shipped with Honeycomb.
Oh, so it is shipped with Honeycomb?
Yes.
And the demo today is on 2.2?
Yep.
Okay, great.
Okay, so first of all, this is what we call a transformer. The idea is to have a keyboard like a netbook with you, and the upper end is detachable, and it becomes a pad, right? So first of all, this is running a dual core Tegra 2, 1 gigahertz CPU. And the upper side weighs a little bit, really has a good weight, and it's really light.
It's light but solid, right?
Yeah, and it feels really good. I mean, we have a texture here, so it fits in your hands without slipping really nicely. So this is a really nice tablet. And if you dock it into our keyboard dock, you have 16 hours of battery, plus a full-size keyboard and trackpad. So they really would boost your productivity when you're docking on it. You could go all day long. Okay.
What's the battery life without the dock?
8.
So 8 hours and then 16 with the dock.
8 and 8, yes. Okay. So this is our lock screen.
Applications.
So after we unlock, what you're seeing is a custom made user interface called MyWave that we have developed with all our Android devices.
What's the screen size and resolution on this one?
This is 10 inch with also 1280 by 800, so the pixel density is really good.
So it's a 720p HD screen basically, right?
Yeah, and you can play 1080p video on it, thanks to Tegra 2.
Can you run over some of the hardware, the ports, buttons, cameras on this device?
Okay. So on this side, this is rotation lock.
We like it. We're expecting to see it later this year.
Not sure what that is. We have volume buttons, and this is the power key. And on this side, this is prototype. I think we have also mini HDMI out, so you can also make presentations. Also hook it up to a TV to watch 1080p video. Okay. And with the usual, this is micro SD card.
Right.
And on this side, we have not. This is the power. You can just charge it like this, and it is also used to connect to the keyboard now. I believe on this side, there's a full-size USB port, so you can connect to USB drive this way. And this is full-size SD card. Another USB port, and this is power connector. So you can charge. When you're using this, you can charge the keyboard dock this way.
Yeah.
Okay. And this will be the switch to release the pad. Okay.
So NVIDIA dual-core Tegra 2 processor, 1 gig of RAM, right?
Yeah, 1 gig RAM. 1 gig of RAM. Yes.
Can you run over some of the interface and what you've done with the custom UI here?
Yeah. First of all, we can look at the browser. And, the multi-touch is really smooth, really responsive. We're running a skin Android browser over this. And you can hit this little
the home button.
Yeah. And let's start off with the widgets. So we have a widget here that's showing the current weather. This is the mail widget, and we have a email client.
So this is a custom email application, right?
Yeah. It looks really nice.
Can we open up an email and see how it looks?
Sure, but okay.
Sorry about that. Thank you very much.
And then you can scroll forward and back.
Yeah. You go up and down. You hold it like this.
Great.
Yeah.
How do you get back to the previous screen?
There's a home button here, so it always takes you back to the launcher.
But I mean, like this screen, like once you're in an email, how do you get back to this screen?
There's a back button here you cannot see, but it's working. The backlight has. This is a prototype, so the backlight probably is not working.
So there are capacitive touch buttons along the side there too.
We have one for the menu somewhere around here.
Okay.
So like all the Android devices, there's a button here for the menu and one for the back.
Are there any other features of the ePad transformer that you would like to highlight?
Sure. Aside from the mail, we also have multiple of custom-made softwares. This is called Myzine. It actually logs whatever you're doing every day, so you have most visited bookmarks here, websites here, the music that you're listening to, and this is my gallery. We have in Asus, we have provided you with the AdVibe service, which has a lot of entertainment contents in it. And this is WaveShare. It's a DNA compatible service, so you can use your pad as your home entertainment and media control. You can push videos over to DNA compatible devices and things like that. So let's check out one of the videos here. This is 1080p. Right, so this is a 1080p video. Let me roll it over here.
Great. And do you have pricing and availability yet for this device?
It's going to be sold from $399 to $699. And we have different configurations for this. This is also IPS with Gorilla Glass, so 10 degrees of view angle. Looks nice everywhere. Okay.
Great. Thank you.
Thanks.